You say you use the power of imagination in your work. What is that?
Yes, one of the important tools we use in our work is called creative visualization, which is a very powerful way to make new choices through your own experience. By actually experiencing something via your senses of sight, smell, hearing, taste and so on. Every time you imagine something, you make a change, which is a new choice. And with every new choice, you free yourself from the unwanted negative feelings and the hold they have on you. A vision is not just a picture of what could be. It is an appeal to our higher selves, a call to become something more. Our body it's a fantastic chemical factory that is capable of seemingly unbelievable things. And the most fascinating is the ability to heal itself of anything and at a deep cellular level.
So does that mean that by practicing visualization, we can change our brain?
It's important to remember that to our brain, what is real and what is imagined is the same. It makes no distinction between the two. What we see with the physical eyes and what we imagine with the mind's eye creates the same emotion. For instance, if you even think of a past traumatic event, your body goes through stress just as it did when it actually happened. And whatever you feel, the body responds instantly and completely.
Yes, I have felt that. The tightness in the stomach or the weakness in the knees.
Yeah, you see, the brain is a highly efficient system that is connected to every cell in the body. Every time you have a thought, positive or negative, it passes through the whole body. So, it's only logical that positive thoughts produce positive results and negative thoughts attack and lower our immunity.
Do you think it's difficult for people to believe that this works?
Some may say that it's silly to think that imagination can be so powerful, but seemingly unrealistic visualization exercises can bring you quite practical solutions to real problems and challenges in our life. See, what it really does is it invokes our power of choice. When we realize that we have an option, that there is another alternate way to be, it starts a rejuvenation process. We use our imagination to create what we want instead of what we don't want. And this helps people to make choices that they thought were difficult or sometimes even impossible to make.
So shall we do a creative visualization now?
Yeah, sure. So let's start by sitting comfortably. Now close your eyes and in your mind's eye, create any picture you really like, in any color you want, and in a place that feels the best to you. For example, see yourself sitting by a gently flowing stream. You are under the shade of a flowering tree. There are flowers strewn around you in shades of pink and violet. You can hear the pleasing sound of the water softly flowing over the pebbles. The birds are singing. You can hear them. You can feel the softness of the flowers in your palms, and the fragrance of the whole scene is breathtaking. This is your safe place. No one else can enter it but you, or whoever you choose to share it with you. Stay in that space for as long as you like, and then slowly come back. As you come back, feel the ground under your feet and the chair you are sitting on. Place your palms on your face, caressing your face, and slowly open your eyes.
That feels good.
See, so you create your own safety. Who else will? You can choose to re-experience this anytime and through any stressful times you may face. And the body will hear you and heal itself.